We hit 100 plus subscribers today.
Like what? Few days back, I thought, why would someone be interested in watching my vlogs? But here we are today. As a small content creator, having 100 subscribers means a lot. So today, we will be heading to a new cafe to celebrate this small milestone. When I first started making vlog 2 weeks back, I was like completely expecting that whoever is going to see it, they're just gonna say, it's so cringe, why have you started this? But there is not a single person that I came across who said, oh, it's not nice, what's that, why are you doing that, blah blah blah. I have this habit that I judge myself a lot. Like a lot. I don't know why. Even my sister, she says, stop judging yourself so much. But I don't know. So when I first started posting the vlogs, I was like, no, this does not look nice. Maybe I should delete it. Maybe I should. Who is gonna watch? Why would someone be interested in watching these vlogs? Why would someone want to know what I am doing with my life? What I am eating? Why would someone just see that? But guess what? There are 100 people watching it. 100 real people who have subscribed to my channel, and I have almost 10,000 views on my channel right now. It's a big achievement for a small content creator like me. Very big achievement. Like, I cannot imagine a room full of 100 people giving me attention. That would be crazy because I am so bad at taking attention. I don't like it at all. But this is what it is, and now that people are actually liking my content, it motivates me to make it even better every single time. I know I analyzed myself in the last few vlogs or in the vlogs that I have posted so far that I have this issue with storytelling. I don't speak a lot, rather I just report whatever I'm seeing, this is this, that. I know that it's my flaw, but I also have a hard time expressing myself. I feel that, okay? So this is something that I'm trying to improve, and maybe the vlogs will keep getting better as time goes on. I'll learn to talk more, express more, because talking to a camera feels like a one-sided communication for me. Like, I'm talking to a wall. There's no answer coming back, and I have to speak it out. But now I think I'm getting a hang of it. So let's see. So today we are going to a cafe that I have been wanting to try out for a long time. I have been seeing this cafe on my TikTok FYP, and it's a cute little bakery plus a cafe. So I thought, why not celebrate the 100 subscribers in this cafe? What's this drink?
This is frozen chocolate.
Frozen chocolate. Do you have anything with this croissant, like any drink? Yeah. Okay. Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I was asking if there is any drink that you can put this croissant on the top.
No problem.
Do you have iced coffee day?
Ice coffee, yes.
Yeah.
This
So
ice coffee with
yeah. Correct.
anything else?
That's it. Guys, this is such a cute cafe. Who puts that? Oh my god, that's iced coffee day with a croissant on top. That's like so cute, bow shaped. And I'll just be trying it out, how this is and how the coffee is, and then I'm gonna rate it out of 10. But by the way, this cafe is wow. I think this is 8.5 out of 10, and this is Ethiopia beans, I think, because it has a little tangy flavor to it, but it's good. And this was, with all the aesthetics that you see, it was just 13 reals.
Free cheesecake, madam. The new product of our store.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, madam. Enjoy.
This means a lot. Thank you. So guys, I was here recording and they offered me a free cheesecake. And it's so cute. It's so cute. Look at it. Time to try this. The strawberry that I can feel. This coffee was 8.5 out of 10 and this is 100 out of 10. It's so good. I went to the heaven and I came back. Time to try out this. It's so soft and it has a perfect salty taste to it, and the crunch is so good. I think I can have this with chai rather than coffee because it will taste so good. So now, the part that we're here for, we got a cake also for the celebration. Wow, what a lucky day it is. So today morning, I saw that we got 100 subscribers and now we have 103 subscribers, guys. 103. The count keeps on increasing. I cannot believe like so many people are actually, oh my god, 104. What the hell is happening? When I first created this account, this channel, I shared it with the people I know, and there were around 25 of them that I shared. These were my close ones, and every single one I told them, subscribe to my channel guys, I created, and they all came up with the best reaction. What is this? Blah blah blah. Starting off, my best friend, she said, I love this video man, I'm not even kidding. And then another one, it was so cute, bhai tujhe dekh ke aise kitne saal ho gaye hain. Then on my food reactions, there's my school friend who said, I love the food reviews bro, your genuine expressions, so real. Because I think I was reacting to some food that was not nice and I was like, this. And then these are the remaining comments that I got that were really nice. Have a look. And there was one message that I received and it was a really nice one. It's always lovely watching your vlogs, are so real. They are a perfect example of who you are in your real life, full of laughter and happiness. So proud to see you doing what you love, especially your eating capacity. Say mashallah guys. Keep it up and keep us entertained. Inshallah, I will. Lastly, special thanks to some people. My parents, who I never ever expected support from for this specific thing. They have always supported me guys for everything, but still, you know, I was Desi family thing. But thanks to my parents, my siblings, and few friends that I have, Aisha, Imran, Naufal. These people, they are like the pillars of this channel, because I'm always dragging them. We have to go to this spot. I want to make vlog. Guys, record me from this angle, record me from that angle. And these people, I drive them crazy all the time, but they do it irrespectively. And I'm so thankful to these people. Thank you guys. So today reminded me why I've been making vlogs. The cafe, the guys at the cafe, how they treated me, and it was so good. Thanks to them. And also I had been putting so much pressure on myself for these vlogs, but I got reminded today that it is so easy. Just be yourself, and everything will just happen in its own way, on its right time. So this was it. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye!